In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a heat map in Google Sheets. Heat maps are a fantastic way to visually represent data, allowing you to quickly identify trends and patterns within your dataset. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily create one using Google Sheets. First, you'll need to open Google Sheets and access the document you wish to work with. If you're starting from scratch, create a new spreadsheet and enter your data accordingly. Once you've done that, move on to the main part of creating your heat map. Next, you'll want to highlight the specific range of cells you want to include in your heat map. In this case, we're looking at cells B3 through D11. Highlighting these cells will tell Google Sheets exactly where you want to apply the heat map. With your range of cells selected, it's time to apply some formatting. Now, head over to the top menu and click on Format. This will open up a whole set of options designed to help you customize the appearance of your data. Among these, you'll find conditional formatting. This is the key function for adding a heat map to your selected data range. After clicking on conditional formatting, you'll see a pane open on the right side of your screen. Here, you're looking for the Color Scale tab. Click on Color Scale to bring up a variety of gradient options you can use to visualize your data. These gradients range from a single color to multicolor scales, allowing for flexibility based on your preferences. In the Color Scale section, Google Sheets typically applies a default color scale. You might want this, or perhaps you'd like to personalize it a bit more. Now is the time to select a color style that suits the insights you're trying to extract from your data. Spend a moment considering which gradient would most effectively communicate your data's story. Once you've settled on a style, don't forget to click Done at the bottom of the conditional formatting pane. This step is crucial because it applies all your selections, transforming your plain numbers into an eye-catching heat map. Congratulations! With just a few clicks and selections, you've turned a basic spreadsheet into a powerful visual analysis tool. Working with heat maps in Google Sheets is simple and effective, ideal for anyone wishing to quickly convey data trends or comparisons. Whether you're analyzing sales data, tracking project performance, or assessing survey results, heat maps can make your data presentation both accessible and visually appealing. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to crafting heat maps in Google Sheets, making data visualization easier than ever before.